Oh, what it is? Oh, what's up? Can the gang just keep in touch? What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Forever Yenti, and y'all already know what time it is. Okay, Forever Gang. So, what we about to do is eat. Now, let me tell y'all. I was supposed to record this thing for y'all some time ago. But the daggone, I record on my phone and the daggone thing wouldn't work. But anyway, let me start talking and we are going to do this as a thumbnail. Nope. Nope, I don't like that one. There we go. I like that one. So look, y'all. We're gonna get into these stuffed clams. This is a first impressions. Well, I ain't gonna lie, this ain't really a first impressions, but this is a first impressions video. Because, like I said, I was trying to record this to get so y'all can have my actual reaction to this. But listen, we're just gonna get into this and I'm gonna stop talking and ranting, okay? So yeah. This is the clam. And I know this is not one of those bowls you can really see into, but this is a stuffed clam. I got it from my local grocery market. Actually, I got it from Shoppers. Let me not say my local grocery market because y'all probably got a Shoppers wherever y'all at. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This thing is really good. It really is. Like, I love clams, but on top of it, it's all stuffed with, I don't know what it's stuffed with. Like, I guess stuffing or whatever. And then I dipped it in this garlic butter that I have right here. Got the little garlic pieces at the bottom. I don't want just to drip all over the place, but can y'all see it? It has all these little garlic pieces on it. Yes. Y'all saw that? It fell right into the sauce. See, that's how you know the sauce is good. And as I said, I didn't do nothing too serious with the butter. I just added some garlic butter. I kept it basic today, y'all. I kept it basic. No hot sauce and all that other stuff I put in my butter. Usually. Because I wanted to get the natural taste of it. Instead of trying to taste it with the hot sauce and all of that stuff. Yo, this thing is so good. And I'm not just saying it. This thing is really good, y'all. Okay. Now y'all can't see the food. I need to see the food. Y'all still can't see the food inside the thing, but still. Y'all want some? Some people may not eat clams because they think it has a weird texture or something, which I'm not gonna lie. But the thing is this, with clams, it's like, the only time it really has a weird texture is just like, everybody, I'm gonna tell you now, everybody can't cook clams. Like, everybody cannot cook clams. You want some? Here you go. Have a bite. I did not get. I got a little paper towel behind the camera. Y'all really don't care about the butter sauce, which is fine with me. Which I don't think, but y'all really can't see the food either, so. And I just got me some water today. This thing is covering my face. And tell y'all, sis was being real lazy today. I ain't feel like getting in the chair. I ain't feel like doing none of that. I just wanted to get up on here, show my face, and let y'all know I love y'all. And eat this food, okay? I'm gonna tell y'all now. I know I haven't been doing post notification shout outs lately when I do videos, which I ain't gonna lie, your girl, I be forgetting. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But I'm gonna get back to it, cause I'll probably do it tonight, because I think I got 3 people I want to do it for. I guess if I eat like this, it may be better because y'all can see the clam too. You know people eating when they get quiet. Baby, let me tell you. And I can't even lie, I can't tell you how much this cost me because I don't even have the receipt no more for it. So I cannot tell y'all how much this thing cost the girl. Okay, sis. Oh, what's the spray gonna drink? Oh well, I tried it. Alright. Y'all, I need to go on a water bench. Like, just drink nothing but water. I really need to go on a whole new water bench. I ain't even gonna lie. I need one a whole new one because when I go. But I think my issue is when I have like soda and different drinks in the house, I don't think about water. But if I don't have none of that in the house, of course I don't have no choice but to drink water. So yeah. Y'all heard that noise? That fork scraping on the shell. I don't know if that's onion or a pepper inside of it. And yes, I just examined it. So let me tell you, what I did is, like I said, I bought it from Shoppers, and I just put it in the oven. You know, but everything is coming already prepared. I don't have to make it or none of that. I just have to throw it in the oven. So if you like seafood or you're pescatarian, I think that's what it's called. And you like clams, and these are really good. These are really good. Oh, like I said, if you're a seafood lover like moi, then try this. I promise you won't be disappointed. And it's crazy because I only had, this is my second one. Y'all, these things fill you up. Now I'm gonna tell you, I have about 6. There was 9 in the pack when I got them, when I first made them. I can only eat 3. Like, these things are really stuffed. They're really stuffed. So they are fillers. They fill you up quick. Two or 3 of these, you'll be full. Might even get 3 done tonight, y'all. So they're gonna fork. Y'all, I need my hair done. I know y'all tired of looking at me like this. Shoot, I'm tired of looking at me like this. So I know y'all tired of looking at me like this. I need to get something done to this head. I wanna get a sew-in. I don't know what color I'm gonna go next though. It's summertime. You know, I need to get the skin back right. I need to get this hair back done. I need to get these nails done. Girl, these little nail bids done. I need to get right for the summer. It's summertime. Get it together. Y'all should comment that down below. Comment down below. When you make it to the end of my video, comment down below. Get it together. That's gonna be the code word for tonight. Get it together. I ain't gonna be on here long tonight. Because it's real late. And I'm tired. One shot to your heart without breaking your skin. I didn't even want. Just burns in your bed. Get it together. You wanna heal your body. You have to heal your heart. You're so worthless. Your soul you will reap. Get it together now. Y'all know I shouldn't have ate that dang clam like this, right? I know y'all know I shouldn't have ate it like this, baby. I'm already full, let me tell ya. I don't even think I could go into another clam. When I say these things fill you up. Hold on, I probably got burp. I might be able to do it if I burp this out. No, that was just tiny. It was a little baby burp. Little childish burp. So look, y'all need to let me know when I do these little mukbangs, if y'all just rather me just sit and eat, or if y'all want me to engage and have these, talk to y'all and keep a conversation going, blah, 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 because your girl like to eat, and I just like to sit quiet and eat my food. I don't be really with all that talking. But I will sit here and talk to y'all. I want to know how y'all day went. Y'all let me know what's going on. What's going on with you guys. I miss y'all. And I mean, I probably go live tomorrow night. Not tomorrow night. I probably go tomorrow. I like going live more than doing my videos. I'm not even gonna lie. I like making content for y'all. I do. But I like going on live more because I really get to fully interact with y'all. So if y'all just one of them people that just sit on the sidelines and come through on the videos, don't do that. Just come on in through the live and talk to your girl. Cause I love talking to y'all. Y'all let me know what's up, what it is, what's up, baby. So, but yeah, for them them 3 big old clams, cause they wasn't little. They was huge. Them big clams, you can only probably do 2 or 3 of those things because they're so stuffed and they're so big. It's like you can't finish all 9 of them at one time. You can try if you want, but I don't think you could succeed in it. But yeah, y'all let me know if y'all like this little mukbang. Let me know how y'all feel about it, etc. Post notification shout out goes to the one, the only, Liv Marie, Gubby. You already know that's my baby. I love you, Liv. Second post notification shout out goes to Tuck in Neveah. Neveah, that's my boo. She always tune in. And the third one goes to Life with D'Angela. Shout outs to you because you always pop up when a video come on and everything. So yeah. Y'all go follow these 3 channels. Check them out. See about their content. And y'all see what, they got going on over there. Code word, if you made it to the end of this video, code word is get it together. Oh, y'all thought I was playing? Yeah, that's really the code word. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone. I love you forever, gang. And just know that we're stuck together forever. I love you. Peace.